For the game today, you're going to roll a softball into a target, and every time you hit the target, you move it back. Then you go back to the start line and start again. If you miss, don't move your target back. Just go get your softball and head back to the starting line. However, every time you roll the softball, you must do a jumping jack. This is going to get a little bit sweaty, but that's okay. I'm going to turn it over to another coach to explain the directions a little more.
We are going to do an activity called Move Up Bowling. You are going to use your bowling technique to roll a softball into a water bottle bowling pin at 5 different distances. Now, the equipment you need, since I don't have cones, for my starting line I'm going to use sneakers. I have 2 sneakers that I have 3 feet away from each other as my lane to bowl. Then the sneaker that's on the right, straight ahead in a straight line, I have 5 items that I have around the house since I don't have cones. The first item is 6 feet away. It's a pair of socks. Then 8 feet away I have a flower pot. 10 feet away I have a TV remote. 12 feet away I have a pair of socks. And then 14 feet away I have another TV remote. Those are my 5 distances. Now here's how you play. You take your water bottle bowling pin and you place it at the first distance. Then you go to the starting line. You have to do 1 jumping jack before your turn. Then stepping with the opposite foot and rolling the ball on the ground, arm back and forward. If you knock down the bowling pin, you get to move it up to the next item. Then you go back, another jumping jack. Okay? Then you roll. Knock it down. You move it up. Okay? Then you come back. 1 jumping jack. Then you roll. If you miss, you have to retrieve it and come back and do another jumping jack. Okay? If you hit it, it moves up. If you hit it again, it moves up. Once you hit it at the final spot, you have to pick up the water bottle and travel safely back to the starting line, and then the challenge is over.
Okay, so now it's our turn. Let's go for 1 minute and let's see how many times you can hit the target. Remember, each time that you hit the target, you get to move it back. Also remember, before you toss it, you must do 1 jumping jack. Good luck. Let's see how you do.